I thought I'd do a quick video just to explain what's going on. So I have 3 buttons set up here, so blue, purple and red. Obviously the colours don't matter, but that's what I'm doing. This is the web page to control it, and if I press the buttons, as you can see, they're working, no problem. And I can also go into the test page for the web, and if like for instance here, this is light number 2, value 225 is on, so if I press that, turn it on, press it again, it turns it off interestingly, but so if I press 1 in there, it's a different colour, or 3 is probably better, that's red. So that's working fine. I've got this which is Postman, which is basically an app that reads a WebSocket, I think. I'm not 100% sure on it, but when I press one of the web buttons, let's try and separate these out. So if I press that one, you can see it's giving me a 225. I press it again, it gives me a 0. So same with the purple one. Oops, that changed. So that number 2 there changes, 3 is a red and red off. So it seems to be the website, if you like, works obviously, and that works. Now the problem I've got is I'm trying to fix a this is my little program in Python, copy it into, so if I run this now, it'll come back button 1, the value is 225, which it is because it's on. If I turn that off, oops, was it that one, sorry, and turn the red off as well, so I've got none on there, and then run that again, and I stick sometimes. So now I've got button 1, which is the blue button, the value for that is 0, and I want to try and set it to 225, and it's coming back obviously 0 because it's not working. Now the line that's meant to change it, I think, again I'm not super dead well up on this, but is this line here. It's saying basically it's the API there, and then I've just put this code is basically copied from there, and that just puts a different number in for the different fitting, and then I've got a button and then 255 to turn the button on. So I was hoping it'd go through and turn each of the lights on, and then this should report back that it's 225, so from the bottom, yeah, and it's not, it's just obviously it's staying off. Now I've copied this 1 button 0 here, for this is in JavaScript, which I haven't got a clue about, and I was hoping that that'd work, but I don't know whether you have to have like a set value status or something like that before it, so it knows what it's addressing, or whether you just have the button numbers. I've looked everywhere and I can't find anything where it's written, so that's what I'm really struggling with, because I think once I get that, it's hitting the service, because I'm getting back, these are changing, the values are changing, these are changing when the lights are on and when they're off and stuff, so I know that it's talking to the service, the API, but I just don't know what the code is to change, turn the lights on and off, or just to hit the light basically. Once I can do that, then I can accomplish what I want. Basically it's when you press a button on a quiz button, then it will change the lights to the colour of who's pressed it first, which I've written a code for, but so I hope that makes it a little bit clearer. Maybe not. If anyone has got any idea of how I could do this, I'd massively appreciate it, because it's a little quest I've got now. It's been going for ages. Thanks very much. Bye.